Hi everyone. As part of the TechCrunch Battlefield Latin America competition, we wanted to show you how Juntoz.com works. This is Juntoz.com's homepage. I can choose one of many official brand stores where I can shop for their products. Let's go to the Levi's store, which is the Levi's official store in Peru. You can now see Levi's storefront. It has all of Levi's branding, its sub-brands, its own categories, an About Us section, and crucially, its own dedicated search bar. This means we can offer Levi's a lot of data analytics on visitors to their page, their profiles, the products they search for, and much more, in addition to their sales report. Onto the buying process, I can choose a product in the catalog, go to its product page and add it to my shopping cart, look at the summary of my shopping cart. This is a single shopping cart for all of my purchases in Juntoz.com, so you can see here that I had also added a product from another merchant. I can then move to our checkout page, where we make all payment methods available, and finalize my purchase. From there, the order can be fulfilled from the brand's physical stores or its warehouse. If a merchant doesn't have someone dedicated to e-commerce, they can start with fulfilling from their physical store so that the store salesperson can receive the order, do the picking and packing, and invoicing. Then they can press Ready to Ship on our back office app so that one of our logistics partners goes to pick up the order and deliver it to the final customer seamlessly. We also have a unique subscribe and save feature. As an example, this is a set of wine bottles. I can choose to subscribe to this product so that I automatically receive it every month. This is a unique feature in Latin America, which is designed with consumer convenience in mind and also allows us to increase the repurchase rate on our site. Before we go, we want to show you Merchant Central, our back office management system for merchants. This is where merchants can log in and essentially manage their product catalog, such as update their inventory or prices, manage their storefronts to update banners, text, and videos, and process orders made by clients in real time, such as pass orders onto ready-to-ship state for our logistics partners to pick up. All of this is self-service so that merchants can manage their own shop in Juntoz.com easily at any time. This is our demo. We hope you found it useful, and we look forward to working together or juntos soon.